Are your rice fields suffering from the devastating effects of leaf blast? Witnessing those telltale brown spots and withered panicles can be disheartening. But Kisan Ghar has the solution you need. Introducing Nativo fungicide, a powerful ally for your rice crops. Combining the potent action of tebuconazole and trifloxystrobin, this advanced formula offers broad-spectrum protection, working systemically to not only control existing fungal infections but also prevent new ones from taking hold. Imagine seeing your rice plants recover, their leaves turning green and healthy, and those dreaded panicle blights disappearing, leading to a significant improvement in yield quality. For effective control, simply apply 120 grams of Nativo per acre. As one satisfied farmer put it, before using Nativo, leaf blast was a constant worry, reducing my harvest. After spraying, the difference was incredible. The plants recovered, and I saw a much better yield this season. Don't let leaf blast steal your hard-earned harvest any longer. Trust Kisan Ghar and Nativo to protect your rice and ensure a bountiful return. Kisan Ghar products are now available on our website www.kisanghar.pk and mobile app. Download it from Apple Store or Google Play Store. For more information or to place your order, visit Kisan Ghar, Green Market Sagoda, or contact us at phone, WhatsApp +92 309 987 8757, email info@kisanghar.pk.